Welcome back. Today we are tackling Basic Calculator 3. This is a comprehensive coding problem where we build a fully functional expression evaluator. Unlike simpler versions, this one handles all 4 basic operations plus parentheses, making it a classic challenge for understanding stacks and parsing logic. Let's define our goal. We need to write a program that takes a string containing non-negative integers and operators. The operators include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Crucially, we must also support nested parentheses, which override the standard order of operations. For example, in the expression shown here, the addition inside the parentheses happens before the multiplication outside. There are 3 main challenges we face. First is operator precedence. We know that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. Second is nested parentheses. We need a way to dive into a bracketed section, solve it completely, and use that result in the outer expression. Finally, we need to carefully parse multi-digit numbers from the string characters. The best data structure for this problem is the stack. Stacks follow a last-in, first-out principle. This is perfect for calculators because when we encounter a new operator, we often need to look back at the most recent numbers and operators to decide if we can calculate something immediately or if we need to wait. There are 2 common ways to implement this. The first is recursion. Since an expression inside parentheses is just a smaller subproblem, we can call our solve function recursively. The second approach, which we will focus on, is using 2 stacks explicitly. One stack holds the numbers and the other holds the operators. This gives us fine-grained control over the evaluation process. Let's formalize the precedence rules. Multiplication and division sit at the high priority level. Addition and subtraction are at the low priority level. The rule is simple. Before pushing a new operator onto the stack, we check if the operator already at the top of the stack has greater or equal precedence. If it does, we must perform that calculation first. Parentheses act as containers. When we see an opening bracket, we push it onto our operator stack as a marker. We then continue processing normally. When we encounter a closing bracket, that is our signal to resolve everything on the stack back down to that opening marker. This effectively collapses the subexpression into a single value. Let's walk through a simple example, 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. We push 2, then the plus sign, then 3. When we see the multiplication sign, we check the stack. The plus sign has lower precedence, so we don't calculate yet. We push the star and then the 4. Our stacks are now ready for resolution. Now we resolve the stacks. Since multiplication is at the top, we pop 4, 3, and the star. 3 times 4 is 12. We push 12 back. Now we have 2 and 12 with a plus sign. We pop them, add them to get 14, and push 14. The stacks are empty of operators, so 14 is our final answer. Finally, let's look at the performance. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the length of the string. We iterate through the input once, and each number or operator is pushed and popped a constant number of times. The space complexity is also big O of n, as in the worst case of deeply nested parentheses, our stacks will grow proportionally to the input size.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.